Hi student, good morning. This is your Ria ma'am. Today I will tell you the name of 5 vegetables. You know how much vegetables are important for our body? Vegetables give us energy and keep us healthy. So let's start. This is called, I know you know the name of this vegetable. Yes, potato. This is a potato. This is a tomato. This is a tomato. This is a brinjal. This is a brinjal. Do you know? Can you tell me the name of this vegetable? Yes, carrot. This is a carrot. This is a carrot. And this is a papaya. This is a papaya. So, what we learn? Today we learn the name of 5 vegetables. Tomato, potato, brinjal, carrot and papaya. Okay, so let's practice all 5 name of 5 fruits. Okay, read and write all the names. Okay, bye bye. Thank you, student.